Hey there, Santa the Credit Frog, and about a month ago, I dropped my phone. It was just like any other day, and I was walking outside when I pulled my phone out of my pocket and it fell out of my hand onto the pavement below. Now, this wasn't the first time that this has happened, and I do have a case on my phone, but unfortunately this time it hit the ground at just the right point where it made the screen crack. At first, I was pretty bummed about this, but then I remembered that I had cell phone protection on my American Express Platinum card, and this would be one of the use cases for that protection. I never really filed a claim before using this protection, and since there wasn't a lot of information or guides about this that I could find, I decided to make this quick video just to explain the process since I recently went through it, so hopefully if this ever happens to you, you'll know exactly what to do. Before we get started, let me explain the details of the cell phone protection, specifically when you use it through your American Express Platinum card. With cell phone protection, you can be reimbursed for your repair or replacement costs following damage or theft up to $800 per claim with a limit of 2 approved claims per 12-month period. For this coverage to be effective, your cell phone line should be listed on a wireless bill, and the prior month's wireless bill should have been paid for on your American Express Platinum card. Also, a $50 deductible will apply to each approved claim. The steps you want to take are as follows. Number 1, file a claim. Number 2, take a picture of the damage. Number 3, get the phone repaired. Number 4, submit the required paperwork. And number 5, wait 2 to 4 weeks for the insurance company to process the claim. Now, let's go through each one of these steps in more detail. The first thing you want to do is call the toll-free number to open a claim with New Hampshire Insurance Company, which is an AIG company, which is the company that American Express uses for their cell phone protection. To find this number, navigate to the American Express cell phone protection page, which you can get easily from Google, but I'll also leave a link to that page in the description below. You'll speak with a customer service representative who will ask you a few basic questions about what happened, confirm a few additional details, and then send you an email with attached claim forms to fill out. For me, there were only 2 pages to fill out, and the questions asked on those forms were pretty easy and straightforward to answer. The next thing to do is to take a picture of the damage on your phone. For me, that was a cracked screen. After you take the picture, make sure to save that for later. You can then take your phone to an authorized repair shop to get your phone damage appraised and then repaired. Make sure to save the receipt as well, as you'll have to provide this when you submit your claim. The next step after this is to submit the required paperwork, which includes the completed claim forms, the photo of the cell phone damage, your repair estimate and receipt when you repaired your cell phone, your AMEX statement from the previous month showing the wireless bill charge, and your cell phone billing statement corresponding to that same charge on your AMEX statement. You can submit all of these documents by replying to the original email that was sent to you by the claims department. The last step is simply to wait. The customer service rep told me over the phone to wait approximately 4 weeks for them to review the claim before calling in to check on the status. But I received an email approving my claim about 10 days after I emailed them all the required information. The funds are mailed back to you as a paper check. I received the full cost of the cell phone repair as quoted on my repair receipt, less a $50 deductible as was previously discussed. So overall, this was a pretty seamless experience for me. The customer service representative was very helpful and pleasant over the phone, and everything was clearly explained. I know I'm not the first person to drop my phone and crack the screen, and I certainly won't be the last. So if this happens to you, and you're taking advantage of the cell phone protection offered on your American Express Platinum card, just follow these steps and you can be easily reimbursed for your cell phone screen repair. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful, make sure to leave me a like to let me know you like this kind of content, subscribe to this channel down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. If you haven't already, I have additional videos about the American Express Platinum card on this channel, so definitely check those out. I'll make sure to leave them on the end screen to help you get there. As always, hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.